Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of blocking event invites from someone on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy to manage your privacy preferences. Step 6. Scroll down and find Blocking and click on it. Step 7. Next, locate Block Event Invites and click on the Edit button next to it. Step 8. Click on Add to Blocked List. Step 9. Search for the username and click on Block next to their name. By following these simple steps, you can effectively block event invites from a specific person on Facebook. This feature gives you more control over your Facebook experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay connected and keep exploring.